This is Nick, and we just saw some lightning over here in Whittier. There's a thunder. We're pretty close. It might even be a little too close for comfort here. 3 flashes. Just got 3 flashes of lightning. And we should be hearing thunder here pretty soon. We got a thunderstorm right over Whittier here. And let's see if we can maybe get a good lightning visual here. The storm is coming closer, and we gotta be careful here. We are pretty close to the center. Wow. Rain has stopped for the time being. I'm not sure why. We'll keep an eye on it.